So in the kitchen, we're gonna do a whole lot of stuff. Look at that wallpaper, oh my God, and these old cabinets. I might have to leave these in. They look so good. But, okay, when it comes to demo, we're actually gonna push this kitchen back right up to that wall over there. That used to be the slot for the fridge. So we're gonna take all this off. This is all gone. And we're gonna push this wall right up to the back over there. And we're gonna open it up. So now you have that little kitchen nook, which is kind of boring and in a corner. We're gonna open all of this up and make this one big open space. And if you turn it around this way, when this goes, it's gonna be wide open. We're actually gonna cut this wall and make it bigger, right up to that edge over there, right? So we have a bigger opening going into the dining room. Probably put some beautiful French doors there to get into the dining room. But this is gonna be one big open space that's gonna look really, really nice. Okay. Obviously, we're gonna get new floor, new cabinets. We're going granite on this one. We got something really custom that you might wanna keep your eyes open for when we get to that point, but it's gonna look real nice.